one of the biggest problems that small businesses have attracting new customers and generating new sales is they focus on the top of the funnel marketing activities, things like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, advertisements, hoping that that's going to answer all of the problems and get the cash register ringing. Now, the challenge is, and the reality is, when it comes to any of your marketing, and it's all about online marketing nowadays, there's a whole series of like a whole process that people go through, which is a decision-making period where they go from an idea to the point of handing over money. Now, all of the activities that most people focus on are sitting in purely this first column. Things like all of your social media, things like PR, getting media, things like alliances with other businesses, referrals and so on. It's all sitting here, and all of the attention sits here. Now, you're doing well if about 2% of your customer base, of your activity, of your spend, of your traffic that you get here actually proceed to the next sale to convert towards a lead. So 2% from all of the activities you do, and people spend so much of their time and energy and money on things like social media, we've still got to convert them to leads. So we need a whole process on our website, and then from there, processes to convert. As people are going through decision-making periods, sometimes might take 10 minutes, but often it takes 10 days, 10 weeks, or sometimes it even takes 10 years. Like, there's a process. People take months to make a decision, so we need to have processes and funnels in place to generate higher conversions, then nurture relationships for no matter how long it takes to convert. And then we have promotions where we promote to people who now we have a relationship with. We go through all of the details of how to complete all of these funnels in our Marketing Blast-Off workshop. So I'd love to invite you to attend. It's totally free. It's online. People attend it over and over and over again because we deliver so much value. We've been helping businesses in Australia to convert more customers, generate more sales, get better returns from all of their marketing activities since 2009. So it's been a long time, a lot of experience. We've worked with thousands of different businesses in all different industries. And I guarantee you, if you attend this workshop, you'll walk away with things that you can implement that will help you have a better life in business, generate more sales and bigger returns.